Welcome to Artistry Tips. Thanks for tuning in to yet another video. In today's video, I will be reviewing the Makartt Life of a Rose Polygel Kit. This video is not a tutorial. I repeat, this video is not a tutorial. It is more so of a watch me work and an in-depth product review. You know, something different. So inside this kit you get some dual forms, which I will not be using, but I will show you how curved they are. You also get a little thank you card as well as a little booklet with some instructions on how to use the polygel. Always useful, you know, for beginners. Definitely take a look at that. So right here I'm just going to show you how curved these dual forms are, even though I won't be using them. They're not too crazy. I actually haven't tried using dual forms yet. I am going to try to do them in an upcoming video, so stay tuned for that. But just in case you wanted an idea, here you go. Okay, so you also get a nail file, which is 100 and 180 grit. You get a polygel brush. I don't know if there's an actual name for this, but I know it's one side is the actual brush and then the other side is a picker, which, you know, helps you put on, you know, the polygel on your nails. Sometimes I use it, sometimes I just squeeze the polygel out the tube on the nail, you know, whatever works best for you. You get a base and top coat, of course, and let me tell you, Makartt's top coat, don't sleep on it, because don't sleep on it, all right? And then you get 4 polygels. So the first color is Bud. It's very opaque but a little jelly. The second color is Bloom, very pretty, very opaque, not jelly at all. And then this color is Hip, a little more so on the jelly side but still pretty. And this is Wilted, very opaque, not too jelly. And yeah, so I chose to use Hip. And I just want to say that Makartt's polygel, it is affordable, it is high quality. Like, I've tried another brand and it just doesn't compare to Makartt. I'm still gonna branch out and try other brands and do different reviews for you guys, but I just want to let you know, like, Makartt, get into it. Especially even if you're not a nail tech and you just want to have the feel of an acrylic set without having to buy all the products to do acrylic nails, I recommend Polygel. Like, I can't stress this enough. Yeah, so that's that. Okay, so this is a new product that I'm trying out for the very first time, this nail rhinestone glue by Makartt. Before, when I was putting any type of rhinestones on any set that I did, I was using a brush on glue from Kiss, and I noticed that the rhinestones were just coming off very easily, like within a few days, and I knew I needed to try something else. So I had saw this on Makartt's website and thought I'd give it a try because I already love Makartt's products, so I figured I would probably love this as well. And let me just say, it's been over a week since I had these nails on and they still look great. Every rhinestone is intact, so yeah, definitely worth the buy because it works and you get a lot for your money and it works. Like, who doesn't love products that work? As far as the rhinestones, so I do not have a link to put in the description box because I got them from a local beauty supply store in, you know, the area that I live in. And yeah, but I'm pretty sure if you just go on Amazon and search up rhinestones for nails, you can find something if similar, if not the same exact thing. So yeah, just look into that. So after I apply the glue directly on the nail, and you only need a little bit, like just a little bit, you're gonna take your wax pen and just place them exactly how you want them to look. You don't have to do exactly what I did, but I had these little, like, the red rhinestone, it's not just like a regular circle, it's like a little diamond kind of, and then the gold rhinestone is just a little dot that I placed right under it. So once I put it with the wax pen, I just take the other side and push it in the glue a little bit, and then I go ahead and cure it for 30 seconds. Also, I did want to mention that there will be a link in the description box to the video on the encapsulated nail with the dried flowers that I have in this set. I made a very detailed video on how to do that design, so make sure you tune into it. So once you're done curing, you're going to go ahead and take your top coat and apply it to the full nail. Okay, you don't want to just apply your top coat around the rhinestone, and no, I put it directly over it. I mean, to each his own, but I recommend covering the whole entire nail. So once you're done applying the top coat to every nail, you're going to cure it. I cured it for 90 seconds. Do as you please. But that's the final look. I love this nails. It's giving very much so Valentine's Day. It's giving, you know, life of a rose. Okay, thanks for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe, follow me on social media, and see you soon.